Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets.
Today, we've got something special for you. The Gigabyte GS32QC Curved 170Hz gaming monitor.
Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the display features.
This monitor boasts a massive 32-inch QHD+VA panel with a 1500R curve. That means you're getting an immersive gaming experience like no other. With a refresh rate of 170 Hz and adaptive sync technology, say goodbye to screen tearing and hello to buttery smooth gameplay.
Now, when it comes to build quality, Gigabyte doesn't disappoint.
The GS32QC comes with a solid build that screams durability.
Plus, with its slim bezels and sleek design, it's sure to elevate the look of any gaming setup.
But let's get to the meat of it, performance.
This monitor delivers premium video processing, high contrast, and accurate color reproduction. And let me tell you, folks, the gaming feel it provides is unmatched, especially considering its price point.
In terms of connectivity, you're covered with multiple video inputs including DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.0. And while it may not have built-in speakers or USB ports, the GS32QC focuses on what matters most, delivering an exceptional gaming experience.
Speaking of experience, let me tell you about my time using this monitor.
Whether I was diving into intense gaming sessions or tackling productivity tasks, the GS32QC didn't disappoint. The 165Hz native refresh rate, along with the option to overclock to 170Hz, provided a silky smooth experience with minimal input lag. So, what's the verdict?
The Gigabyte GS32QC Curved 170Hz gaming monitor is a powerhouse in the world of budget-friendly gaming monitors.
With its impressive features, solid build quality, and exceptional performance, it's a steal at its current price point.
And there you have it, folks. Our review of the Gigabyte GS32QC Curved 170Hz gaming monitor. If you're in the market for a jumbo screen at a tiny price, look no further.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech products.
Until next time, happy gaming!